Hi guys, I'm Cassandra and welcome to another video. For today's video, I have a huge Itsy Bitsy haul. So there was a sale going on the Itsy Bitsy website and their stores. I don't know if the sale is still on. I'll leave the website link in the description. You can go and check out if the sale is still on because I don't know when I'm going to post this video. So yes, if you want to check, you can check their website. And yeah, I have got a lot of products. I didn't buy all the products. I got some in the DT kit and some I purchased from my own money. So yeah, the haul is huge. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing I want to share are the decoupage napkins. Look how many napkins I got. So if you buy one napkin, the cost is 40 rupees per napkin, but the offer price, the sale price was buy 4 napkins for 100 rupees. So you got a napkin for just rupees 25. So these are the beautiful designs. This napkin has a beautiful landscape design. This one actually has a different print on both the sides. And these are the newly launched designs. These designs are so beautiful. Like, look at this. Apart from all these amazing discounts, you can also use my referral code Cassandra5 to get an extra 5% discount on your order. These are all the napkins, so let's move ahead. Next up I have stencils, so I picked up 2 stencils. I already had a script stencil, but this stencil is of bricks and this is a honeycomb stencil. So the stencils retail for 250 rupees and the offer price is 175 rupees. Next I have the prime chipboards. I used to not really use a lot of prime chipboards before in my project, but since I started using them, I really love using them. I'll just insert some pictures of my projects which I have done earlier with prime chipboards. They really add an extra touch to your project. These ones that I have picked up retails for 49 rupees and I got them for 34 rupees. But obviously there is a wide variety of chipboards available in different price range. And I have also used up some chipboards from this pack. Next, I have a metallic wax. I previously had a copper metallic wax, but this is rich gold metallic wax. This retails for 249 rupees and I got it for 174 rupees. The container might look very small, but the product lasts very long time because you just add a little bit on your project. So it is a good investment. Next, I picked up a wood stain. Itsy Bitsy has a large collection of wood stains with different colors, but I picked the color Clover Brown. This retails for 149 rupees and I got it for 104 rupees. I have given this a try and I must say I'm quite impressed. The application is quite simple as well. It's really an amazing product if you want to enhance the color of the wood. Next, I also picked up a gold metallic paint because I like to give a gold touch for my project because the project looks very classy if you use a gold color for the borders and stuff like that. So that is why I picked up the gold metallic paint. This retails for 140 rupees and I got it for rupees 98. Next, I have the handmade flowers. I actually got a lot of handmade flowers this time, but I ended up using them before I filmed this video. So yeah, this is the only pack which I'm left with. All the handmade flowers were on 50% discount, so I will highly recommend you to check out the handmade flower collection from Itsy Bitsy. Next, I have the craft cement. Cement crafts have been in trend right now, so that is why I wanted to give these a try. Craft cement is really easy to use just by mixing water, and these were on 30% discount. Next, I got the resin. I actually got this in my DT kit, so you might see something on Itsy Bitsy's channel with this. I have personally never used this, and I'm really excited to use this because I have seen a lot of crafts online, especially on Instagram with resin, and I can't wait to try this out. So again, these retails for ₹699 and I got it for 559 rupees. So to work with the resin, I got a bunch of silicone molds. This one being my favorite. I'm planning to do something with this for my channel, so stay tuned. Hopefully I get time to do it soon, but I will surely film a video with this. And I also have a few more molds. These are the beautiful molds for the border. These molds are flexible and easy to use. They can be used not just for resin but also for clay modeling, soap making, etc. Next, I have a glass plate. I got this from the store. I don't really know if it is available on their website or no, but you can do really amazing reverse decoupage work with this. Next, I picked up this wooden tray. I'm going to do something with this for my next DT project, so stay tuned for that. And I also picked up this wooden tissue paper box. It is of a really good quality. You can open it like this, and obviously you can do decoupage work on this. And the best thing is it is already primed, so you can just start doing your work on this. But although I feel I will prime this, I will give another even layer because the brush strokes on this can be seen. So maybe with a dabber I'll give another layer. But it's really good that it is primed because otherwise you have to give 2-3 coats of priming. So this is already primed and the quality is also really good. And lastly, I picked up a bunch of these wooden boards, wooden decorables. So first I have these heart-shaped ones. All the wooden decorables were on 30% discount. Then I have this. This will look really good for a name plate maybe. And then I have some smaller circles and some larger ones as well. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the haul. So if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button, and for more videos hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye.